The legal marketplace is traditionally complex and high cost. So in a changing legal marketplace, we need to do something to recognise those who are innovating and doing something a little bit different. And ALPMA so created the Thought Leadership Awards to recognise law firms who are doing something a little bit different, and in the hope that we would inspire others to perhaps take a more strategic approach to innovation and the way they're doing things. Innovation is important for law firms because I think that law firms need to adapt to a changing legal environment, or they are at risk of losing their place in the market. Clients are demanding different things. Clients are demanding that law firms look at different ways to price, to cost their services and to provide those services. Law firms need to be agile, they need to adapt to the changing demands of the client. And if they don't adapt, again, they'll be at risk of being left behind.
Our initiative was to build a national law firm focused on conveyancing, which is what we do most, and move it from a small place like Noosa into a national arena all around Australia, every state, but without building multiple offices. So to grow to be a national firm with all our conveyancers working from home, it's very important that we implement a new kind of technology. We've called that prescriptive conveyancing. And prescriptive conveyancing is a product of workflows and systems and processes, all based in the cloud, that allows people to have access to the same level of information no matter where they're located. There are a number of challenges. Our first challenge was to actually build a conveyancing platform that would work no matter where the conveyancer was located. Wherever they were located, they need to be able to provide the same level of service, no matter whether they were in the outback of New South Wales or in the middle of Sydney or in the middle of Brisbane or in WA, things like that. So that was our biggest challenge, getting through that. Well, the challenge of distance was a big challenge for us, and we addressed that by implementing a cloud-based solution. So our practice management system now is a cloud-based solution, whereas before we had a big server room in an office thousands of kilometres away from some of our staff. Now everybody has the same access to the same technology, the same speed. So that was one of the biggest challenges. The other challenge was monitoring the staff's work and making sure that they deliver this consistent quality of service no matter where they were located. So we built a workflow-based system. We gave the conveyancers responsibility for some of that work, and then we gave admin staff based in the office responsibility for other parts of that work. So we married those two together, and we were very successful in building that particular platform and addressing those particular challenges. For us, I think the biggest impact has been on the paralegals. They're generally experienced mothers who work from home, and we've been able to allow them to work from home, be able to meet their kids when the kids get home at 3 o'clock in the afternoon without worrying about going into the city and getting back home in time for the children. A lot of these people would have actually left the industry, I believe, had we not provided them with this opportunity to work from home. It's also been a great opportunity for the company as well. We've been able to reduce our costs by about 40%, and we've used those savings to continue to build a business and reinvest in the business for the future. So the firm's benefited that way. Our clients have all enjoyed an increased level of service and without increasing the costs. So we've become very competitive. We never want to win business based on price, but we've become very competitive, and we're providing what we believe is the best quality conveyancing solution in the whole of Australia at a very competitive price. Well, I think this project deserves recognition because it's been a significant challenge for us to move conveyancing away from the traditional way of doing conveyancing to this new way of doing conveyancing. We have a tagline that's called Impossibly Easy Conveyancing, and we try to apply the Impossibly Easy Conveyancing not only to our clients and our agents and brokers, to our staff as well. So we feel if we can apply this Impossibly Easy Conveyancing to everybody who's concerned in the particular transaction that they're dealing with, then everyone's going to be happy, and that's why we think this deserves recognition.
LexisNexis is supporting these awards as our core purpose is to advance the rule of law, and we're committed to do this through our daily operations, through our products and our services, and ultimately helping businesses provide that rule of law to the consumers. Innovation is not just about technology, it's looking at how things can be done differently. It's looking at how you can remove efficiencies, looking at processes, how things can be done more effectively, and then can help increase productivity. This can help with customer satisfaction, it can help with revenue growth, and also lead to differentiation of your offering into the market.